Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on OnePlus 5T. So if you have a problem to find your Bluetooth gadget, always start from the simplest way, so restart the Bluetooth connection, switch it off and switch it on again to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate it you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings and swipe down to the system. Now go to the reset options and select network settings, so Bluetooth is included here. Tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. After that, look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so go to the system updates, if you have an update, install it and check for your device again. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.